Good afternoon, students. In last lecture, we are already studied Le-Chatelier's principle and effect of change in concentration on equilibrium position. In this lecture, we are going to study effect of change in pressure and volume on equilibrium position. First of all, we revise what is meant by Le-Chatelier's principle. If an external stress is applied to the reacting system at equilibrium, then system adjusts itself in a such a way that effect of stress is reduced. It must be noted that effect of stress applied to the reacting system means either change in concentration of reactant or product, or change in pressure and volume, or change in temperature. Then our point is effect of change in pressure and volume on the position of equilibrium. First of all, change in pressure does not affect the concentration of solids and liquids, but concentration of gases is appreciably affected by change in pressure. We know that ideal gas equation, according to ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. In this equation, P is the pressure of the gas, V is the volume of the gas, N is the number of moles, R is the gas constant, and T is the temperature. Here P is equal to N upon V into RT. In this equation, R and T, if R and T are constants, then above equation becomes P is directly proportional to N upon V. This equation indicates that pressure of the gas is directly proportional to number of moles. That is, as number of moles increases, pressure of the gas also increases, and it is inversely proportional to volume of gas. That is, as pressure increases, volume of the gas decreases. Now consider reversible reaction, formation of ammonia, nitrogen gas plus thrice hydrogen gas, it gives twice ammonia gas. We know that pressure is directly proportional to number of mole. As number of moles increases, pressure of the gas also increases. In this case, there are two reactions. One is forward reaction and another is reverse reaction. The number of moles of nitrogen for forward reaction 1 mole plus hydrogen 3 moles, it gives 2 moles. That means above reaction, it indicates that forward reaction occurs with decrease in number of moles, that is from 4 to 2 moles, and reverse reaction occurs with increase in number of moles from 2 moles to 4 moles. Suppose pressure of equilibrium system is increased. If pressure of the equilibrium system is increased by reducing volume of the gas at a constant temperature, then it favors which reaction? It favors forward reaction, because forward reaction occurs with decrease in number of moles, that is 4 moles to 2 moles. Therefore, here yield of ammonia is increases. On the other hand, if pressure of the equilibrium system decreases by increasing volume of the reacting system, then it favors reverse reaction, because reverse reaction occurs with increase in number of moles, that is from 2 moles to 4 moles. But in case but in this case yield of ammonia is decreases and yield of nitrogen and hydrogen is increases. This is the effect of change in pressure or volume on the equilibrium position. Then next is effect of temperature. Effect of temperature on equilibrium position. For this effect of change in temperature, consider again reversible reaction. Phosphorus pentachloride, it gives PCl3, phosphorus trichloride plus chlorine gas. In this reaction is exothermic. In this reaction, heat evol is equal to 92.5 kilojoule. Delta H for this reaction is equal to minus 92.5 kilojoule. This delta H indicate that forward reaction is exothermic reaction. It evol or it release 92.5 kilojoule of heat. However, reverse reaction is endothermic, that it absorb 92.5 kilojoule of heat. It indicate that an endothermic reaction consumes heat which is released in the forward reaction. Therefore, equilibrium must shift in reverse direction to use of added heat. That means heat release during forward reaction is equal to 92.5 kilojoule. That is, temperature of the reacting system increases. Then to decrease or to balance the heat evol in the forward reaction, reverse reaction is favorable. That is, reverse reaction is endothermic, which is reverse reaction used up heat evol during forward reaction and maintain the temperature of the system remains constant. This is all about effect of temperature on the position of equilibrium. Then next point we will discuss in next lecture.